Hey, yes guys, hope you are doing well and enjoying the second consecutive green week. So, my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, and everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, are you happy to see crypto market in green? Yes. If yes, smash those like and push the bell notification or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so this is the right language here. Smash those like and appreciate all your likes. Let's go and check out what's happening out there on the crypto market. As we see, as we speak, Bitcoin is up 2.3%, just traded around 21,500, and Ethereum is at almost 1,500, also touched 1,500 today and up 8%. And we see few altcoins are doing great, especially Kusama, Ape, Sand, Curve, GMT, Matic, Rune, CVX, Ethereum Classic, and also Avalanche. RDO is correcting, but I think RDO pumped in the previous week or so. Yes, so 100% in a week, so that is why RDO is correcting. So let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 20. So the market is getting a little bit better condition. So investment sentiment from extreme fear trying to move to the fear zone. And as you remember, since beginning of May, we are at this lower level of 10 in the extreme fear zone, and now the index started to came back around 20. So that a sign that a little bit of a change in the investor sentiment, but they are still so worried. And yes, that was good buying opportunity, but maybe we will get one more chance as the market capitulate and bottoming out, but this is not for now because the market is pumping. So the crypto analysts forecast huge Bitcoin rally, details most likely scenario for BTC in coming months. So let's see what can we expect in the coming months. BTC US dollar, so this is the expectation, rolling up 28,000 US dollar, then dumping back to 17 or 18,000 US dollar, and then pumping to 30,000. So guys, that scenario would be the most painful scenario, because that the latecomers will losing their lungs and they would be punished here, but also I can believe that this is one of the most likely scenario. I still believe, let's quote, the most likely outcome is a range between 20,000 and 30,000 through at least the next several months. So while a bounce from here might take us to around 30,000, I don't see it as anything to get overexcited about yet. And the trader is, yes, Kaleo. Kaleo. Okay. So even though the next leg up we will see out of this 20,000 mini range, we are stuck in won't necessarily signal the shift to momentum for a sustainable new bull market. It will provide some much necessary relief from the months of bearish price action we have seen recently. So that will be just a relief, not a real new bull market. Hope it's fun, but don't let it evolve into greed and completely consume you. Be patient, keep stacking, survive the crab, and be a king in 2024, 2025. Yes, this is what I can agree. Don't be too greedy. Never be greedy. Next piece of news is crypto markets need to hit total panic before revival, according to Kevin O'Leary. So the millionaire investor thinks that the market bottom will be marked by total panic, at which point weak companies with idiot managers will be weeded out and the industry can continue to grow. So Kevin O'Leary always expects some panic mode and weeding out some huge companies. This passion play gets played out over and over again. So they are missing a real big event, a real big collapse. So he thinks that Voyager and Celsius is not a big event. It's unfortunate that these companies have gone to zero, but you end up with much stronger species. Yes. Canadian regulators are looking at anyone in Canada offering earned products to figure out what it means. They are looking through the rubble of the collapse, the layer in restrictions. Tether breaking peg is going to be a big problem for regulators as they look at what stables are acceptable for platforms for use. So, but we think that Tether now can keep the peg because it became they had enough time to sort everything, and I think that they are able to keep the peg. So next, top analyst sees odds of major rally increasing significantly for Bitcoin. So odds are increasingly significantly increasing. Odds of a significant rally, relief rally, are incoming. Just need a couple more things to align. Send it. Diving deeper, Justin Bennett says that the US dollar index, a measure of the US dollar's strength, is paramount to such a relief rally transpiring. The DXY is the key to a relief rally for crypto. You need to see it back of 108.5, a confluence of resistance from 2001 and 2002. Okay. Yes. So that was a double top in 2000 at 120, and now we are almost close to there, and also the index is moving in a channel, and if it breaking up this channel and also the horizontal trend line, that will see a huge run up to 120, and that would cause crypto and other asset prices dumping further. Not much DXY weakness so far from 1008.5, holding about it right now, in fact. So needs this to weaken to have fuel further relief rally for crypto. Nice move from BTC after Wednesday bullish reclaim, and actually this bullish setup just worked out exactly as they predicted. So BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes updates Bitcoin forecast, predicts Fed will be forced to print trillions of dollars. So now they are quantitative tightening. So I think the quantitative easing will go forward. So let's quote. The crypto capitalist says that he's keeping a close watch on how the Japanese yen and the euro perform against the US dollar. According to Hayes, the sustained strength of the US dollar against these currencies will likely compel the Fed to intervene and flip the switch on the money printing machine. So they will turn on the money printing machine. Must watch the Japanese yen and euro. Expect an intervention to weaken the US dollar if Japanese going about 150 and the euro is going below 2.9. US dollar intervention means the Fed printing money. Printing money means BTC number go up. Okay. So this is the euro currency index, and this is the USD Japanese currency index. Okay. Usually Japan and the EU are happy to have a weak yen or euro versus the rest of the developed world. It allows their export industries to gain market share as their goods are cheaper versus other countries. However, due to food and fuel inflation experienced post-COVID and the cancelling of Russian commodity exports, their plebs are now facing the harsh downside of having a weak currency. It is becoming more and more expensive for them to eat, move around, and heat cool their dwellings. Okay. With more fiat liquidity what's this word? Sloshing through the system, risk assets, which include cryptocurrencies, will find their bottom and quickly begin to recover as investors discover the central bank financial asset market put has been activated. Guys, let's go and check out our next news. Major Bitcoin relief rally imminent as sellers lose confidence, says crypto analyst Nicholas Merton. Okay, let's quote. We do believe that an extended bear market could still play out. We also do believe in the reality that there is likely going to be a relief rally in the market like there has been in the past, and it simply has to do with the fact that a lot of sellers have been forced out of the market. We know we now likely have more buyers than sellers at these prices. If we can get the price above these moving averages and turn them into support, after that we are potentially got a major move to the upside, something in the upper 20,000 range, going from 25 to 30,000 US dollar. I don't want to call it too confidently, but we can get a serious move here, and the reason why is because like back in May 2022 we had a month-long consolidation very similar here. We have been in over a month of consolidation in price. You got a lot of longs and a lot of shorts in either of these channels, 30,000 and 20,000 US dollar. If price starts to go substantially in the other direction, especially getting above this channel 20,000 US dollar, you have got a lot of shorts, not just from this channel 21,000 and also this channel 30,000, who could very well be taking significant losses, causing a massive short squeeze to the upside. Yes, so if it would break here up, then it would lead a massive short squeeze. Guys, let's go and check out our next news. New York Yankees ready to pay employees in Bitcoin by partnering with New York Dig. Okay. New York Dig research indicates that an increasing number of young workers are keen on receiving Bitcoin related benefits in their paychecks. So New York Yankees will get their paychecks in Bitcoin. Next piece of news is crypto winter has 250 days left if the market cycle repeats, according to Grayscale. Okay. The crypto industry has endured some infamous bear markets, and the 2022 downturn will be remembered for its acid test of decentralized finance platforms and over leveraged trading. Okay, and this is not so important, but we have let's check this. Do we get this news? Maybe not. Bitcoin price nears critical 200-week moving average as Ethereum touches 1,500. So Bitcoin was rejected at the 200-day moving average, which is at 22,500, and slight consolidation would trigger a continuation and break about 22,600 would activate massive longs toward 28,000 good times, but Bitcoin was not able to break these levels. And the order book, how the order book looks like a kind of heat map. Ethereum preserves performance. So actually Ethereum made a new higher high, higher lows, higher highs. So this is what I like. This is the first time in 110 days that Ethereum has broken into a bullish trend, printing higher lows and higher highs. Cool. So that's good news. Let's go and check the next news. Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort, says he was wrong about Bitcoin, names 2 crypto assets for long-term plays. Okay, let's quote. At that time that I really hated crypto, I stand by everything I said about crypto in 2017, except for one thing, I was wrong about Bitcoin going to zero. I think the issue right now is you have to look at Bitcoin and not take a 12 months or 24 months horizon. With reasonable luck, I think if you have take 24 months horizon, you will almost certainly make money. Maybe not, but I think if you take a 3, 4, 5 year horizon, I would be shocked if you didn't make money, because the underlying fundamentals, I believe, are really strong. Underlying fundamentals. There's a limited supply and an inflation does keep going and going and going at some point in time. There will be enough maturity with Bitcoin where it starts to trade more like a store value and less like a growth stock. Along Bitcoin, Belfort says that his second choice for long-term investment is the leading smart contract platform, Ethereum. And what are the others? Okay, no more others, just Ethereum. Great, good to hear that. Crypto recaptures $1 trillion market cap. BTC hits 22,000 $, and ETH Giga mooning is going on. Okay, we are back at 1 trillion. Ethereum Giga pump, and yes, okay, that's all. And the next piece of news is Ethereum price breaks out, hits 2 months high versus Bitcoin. Is the rally sustainable? That's the question. Okay, ETH price bear flag invalidated. So that was a bear flag, but this bear flag invalidated and pumped up really well to this zone, and this is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Ether test key inflection zone, and let's check this chart. So upside target zone at 0.075, and we have some resistance at 0.066. Also the Fibonacci line resistance, falling trend line resistance, horizontal trend line resistance, and we broke these 50 day moving average. But the good news that the bear flag invalidated. So the best would be to go in that zone and outperforming Bitcoin, but now it's overbought a little bit. ETH BTC, this is a weird chart, super strong in the short term, but I'm guessing this rally will be unsustainable. Really conflicting thoughts for this being the bottom. Lots of FE factors coming in merge. Maybe 0.075. It's the next up if this area gets cleared out. Next piece of news is Paraguay crypto framework one step away from becoming a law, and this is a good news because Paraguay making Bitcoin a legal tender. Okay, so guys, that's it. Let's go and check my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me on Twitter at MIKLOSDenkler. Also follow at Corion platform, and definitely check also follow laserpunk_guards, our NFT launchpad projects, and check out this thread about the Ethereum merge. So great thread. Definitely check it out and give a like and share all these news. So if ETH BTC keeps rallying, we might see altcoins going crazy. Be aware, this is just a bear market relief rally, and due to the macro uncertainty, not a trend reversal. So guys, if Ethereum will rallying against Bitcoin, that would lead altcoins rallying, but this is a relief rally, not a not a bull market reversal. All our eyes on Bitcoin's 200 week moving average around 2023-2026 zone, and either breaking or rejecting it would give a clear direction with this massive move. And this is from plan B, so definitely check out this chart. So it should bounce at the 200 week moving average. Bitcoin energy gravity is a metric that shows how the price of Bitcoin relates to the cost of production. Can be identified when the price of BTC is too overheated or it's bottoming. Modeled by Joe Burnett Capital or whatever. So Bitcoin energy gravity model, we see the cost of production. So now we are at the level of cost of production. It can go below a little bit, and you see when it's the energy gravity is in this lower area, and also how far how we are touching the BTC price is touching the energy mass. Okay, give a like and share, and also share this. There is a thread on this link. So 469 bear market days again would put us at around July 25th. Let's see how long will last. So if we are comparing the last bear market, the same number of days would ending at 25th of July. We'll see how ending. So definitely check out Laser Pangats. Actually, we are giving away white links in places, and I think this giveaway is already over. But good news that the social media dominance is reaching a new highs. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check out some charts. Let's see what's happening out there. What is Bitcoin doing? What is Ethereum doing? The good news that this is the second green week in a consecutive order, and that can lead maybe a further continuation or kind of reversal, but just for the short term. So guys, let's go and check out these weekly charts on Bitcoin. Okay. Oh, it was not a green chart. Oh guys, it was not a green chart, but this is a kind of, it's like a hammer. Okay, so that was a green chart, but last week it was a red candle, and this is this new week. Okay, so let's go and check out what Bitcoin is doing. So actually Bitcoin just trying to break out from this descending triangle, the same pattern that Ethereum broke out, but as you see, the price now below the trend line, and also there is a huge spike, but it's not a clear breakout yet, at least on the daily. On the 4-hourly, it can be a kind of retesting this zone. So all our eyes on these charts, because if Bitcoin will go above 21,800 again, then it's a good chance that it's a clear breakout with a confirmation, and then we can open a long position here. And also we are having our long position open with the shorts at 20,700. So this is how I would play Bitcoin, and also these are higher highs, so that's a good news. What's happening with Bitcoin longs? Still high, and Bitcoin shorts coming down a little bit. Yes, Bitcoin dominance coming down. So good to see that the Bitcoin dominance is falling, and these 42.2 will be a next major support zone here. So I will put it here. So we are here here at this major support zone. Let's go and check Ethereum. Okay, so this is how we are playing the Ethereum trade. So Ethereum broke out from this triangle and closed the third. So now we'll close the third day out of this triangle. So this is a clear breakout, and also our price target is at 1,700. But on the way up, we are taking some profits, and also just taking some profits, and also pulling up the stop loss. So guys, I like this Ethereum trade. I'm really happy that we longed Ethereum at 1040 US dollar. So now we are up almost. So we longed here at 1040, and now we are up around 23% with the 10x leverage is 430%. So guys, let's check a few altcoins. Let's check BNB. BNB is also breaking out, doing a similar pattern like Ethereum. So good to see that BNB broke out, and the next levels, the 300 US dollar levels, and most of other coins also breaking out. So not done, but maybe DYDX is correcting. Yeah, but you can find other altcoins like trying to break out, like Phantom is breaking this trend line. So definitely good to see that some breakouts happening. FTX also breaking out. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification all. Let's go and check out our Twitter feed, follow us on Twitter, and also visit our farms, or either if you are holding ERC20 version of CorionX or Binance Smart Chain version, you will find our farms on Ethereum, and you will find our farms on Binance Smart Chain, and you can lock up and earn up to 330% juicy APRs. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Also join our Telegram channel. You'll find some discussions here about crypto and CorionX in general, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.